JRTV. JRTV.
Adding flex to any project is pretty simple. All we have to do is bring our logo in, and as you can see here, our logo has a transparency that's going to be key. And it's a little big, so I'm just going to change the size of this down. That looks about right, and I'm going to bring it over here because I want it to be at the end, and I'm going to turn it into a fusion clip. We'll add that right in there, and then it also comes with audio, so we'll add that audio in right there. And now this is what we have. If we come into Fusion now and make our way to that pack, all we have to do is click it and it's added, and then once it renders, it'll be here. As you can see, it starts out with a normal paw and it goes through the whole animation. And then if we come over here, all we have to do now is let it render a cache, and we can play it from the beginning.
JRTV.
It's as simple as that. If we wanted to add any text here, all we would do is go into Fusion. We would just add in our text here, and we'll connect these two so that it makes a merge. And after a few clicks of adding an animation to the text, this is what we get.
JRTV.
It's pretty simple. And on the topic of animations, if we come over into Fusion, this node here is actually a group node. So what we can do is, if we move this down a bit, right click on it, and we can go to expand group, you would then have access to all the nodes that make this whole animation itself. And if you wanted to use the template in a different frame rate, you would be able to come into here and change the animations to make them longer or shorter, or if you need to retime things, you would also be able to do that. Change colors, whatever it was that you wanted to do, you'd be able to come into here and change it to work with your needs.